Hi, I'm Ian, one of the falls prevention instructors at Active Sport and Leisure. Our falls prevention programme offers tailored group exercise sessions weekly for individuals aged 60 and above, living independently in the community, who either have a history of falls, fear falling or face strength, mobility and balance issues. Our 32-week evidence-based programme includes weekly strength and balance classes and tailored home programmes to improve strength and balance, along with teaching participants how to safely recover from a fall.
It gives me something to focus on now, because after a fall it's a bit frightening, and you can see that without this help I don't think I would be very confident on my own.
To join, individuals need a referral from a physiotherapist or health professional. We assess progress at weeks 1, 16 and 32, using the timed up and go assessment to measure fall and frailty risks and track improvements. Our mission is to promote independence and reduce fall risks in our ageing population.